knife feels great in your hands and the action is incredibly smooth. The fit and finish is also top-notch and looks fantastic. When I received my knife, it came in a nice pouch brandishing the company's logo. In summary, if you're looking for a new EDC knife and want quality materials that will last for a great price and made by a company that was built for the knife community, look no further than Vosteed.